Hi guys, let's prepare loaded baked potatoes in Kulhad. Take little oil in a pan, then add onion, tomato, capsicum and chicken. Cook it for some time and then add salt and pepper. In a separate bowl, take one egg and then add salt and pepper, mix it well. Take a Kulhad and place first layer of half-cooked potatoes, then chicken layer, then again potato and chicken layer. Then add egg and place potatoes and top it with cheese. Bake it and garnish with spring onion. Enjoy, like, share and subscribe.